Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about the lambda function used in Python programming language. As you can see on the screen, lambda function is one type of anonymous function. The syntax you can see it is written with argument and expression. This is the function to make a concise code, and whenever we want some function at a single time, one time usage, we can write a format with lambda function. You can see the difference. I have shown the lambda function and normal function. Here you can see we need not to write a return statement in lambda function. Let me show you the operation of this lambda function and normal function practically. So I have opened the Python IDLE shell. Python 3.8.3 version is used, and I am creating a new file. First of all, let me write the normal function def double. We can write double of n, and it will return as the value of 2 multiplied by n. Whenever we will require this function, we will call this function with double x. Now we can also take the values from the input, where x is equal to integer input, enter any number. So whatever number will enter from the input, that will be converted into integer, and that will get double. Okay, now we can also print this value. Okay, so we will write print command, print double. Okay, so save this code as we will save with lambda function 1.py. Let's run this module. So enter any number. I am entering 4. So double of 4 is 8. You can see it is printed. Now let's do same code with lambda function. So I will make all this command as comment, and I will simply write lambda is equal to lambda, then argument. Argument is n colon 2 multiplied by n. Okay, now I will assign this lambda function to some object. Say a is equal to lambda. Okay, now we can call this object whenever we want. So print, there is not any return statement required, a of x, where x is the value which we will take from the keyboard. So let's print, save the code, run module, enter any number. I will enter 6. So you can see double of 6 is 12 is printed. So this is the way lambda function works. So you can see the difference, that we need not to define the function, and we need not to return any value. We will directly write a single line command, and we will have the required function. Friends, we can also write this lambda function for the 2 arguments. So if we want to write the lambda function for 2 arguments, suppose we want to add 2 values. Okay, then we will define a function. Okay, that is sum is equal to lambda. So we want the addition of 2 different values. So we will write a comma b. These are the 2 values. The input we have to return first in the arguments, and then we have to write expressions. So as we want summation, so a plus b, that will be the expression. Okay, now we can print sum with the two values. Okay, for example 5 and 6 or 8 we can write. So we will get the summation of 5 and 8 as the output. So we can also write here addition of a and b is sum 5, 8. Okay, so save the code again. Okay, save. Addition of a and b is 13. Okay. So this is how two argument is also can be passed through lambda function. We can also pass the uh, logical expressions in the lambda function. For example, if you want to find out the greater than or less than numbers out of two numbers, then also we can operate. So let's see one example of this logical expression. For example, I am writing a function b is equal to lambda. I will write p comma q. Okay, so these are the two arguments. Okay. And what operations or what expression I want to perform. So that I will write here p if p greater than q, else q. So you can see I have performed and I have written an ternary operation in this expression. Now I can write print b of whatever the two numbers I will enter, 5, 9. I am entering. So what will be printed, friends? Let me save this, run. So it is printed 9. Okay. So if p is greater than q, then p will be printed. If p is less than q, then q will be printed. So here 5 is less than 9, so 9 will be printed as the output. So you can see this is a ternary operation in a single line. Okay. So we can also write these logical statements in the expression of this lambda function. So that's all, friends. Thank you.